You've probably seen those crazy AI videos go viral lately. Talking animals, surreal edits, video generated in a seconds. But can you actually make one yourself with no code, no editing? I gave myself a challenge. Use only AI to create a short and blend animals with automotive world. The results? Weird, hilarious, but surprisingly watchable. So hi there, let's start with generating an image first. So we will use ChatGPT. I have this plus version, but you also can use a simple free version, but you have to log in into the ChatGPT to have an access to image generating feature. First, we start with putting our prompt into this chat just to see what we are going to do here. We first set the role for our assistant, so it should behave as creative animation designers, and then describe this what we actually want to have on this image. So we want to create an image with car brand associated with the animal. This animal is like a very strong human with a lot of muscles, is moving toward the camera. It should be realistic through their styles animation. So we described our image in general, like high level. Then we dive deeper with the scene. We say that brand item and animal character be both at the same time on the video. Brand is moving together with animal. Brand item is right before the animal name. Animal name is behind and 3 times bigger than brand item, so it's visible in all its amazing muzzle shape. This brand item and animal name should be replaced with something that you want. I will just show you how it looks in a real example here. So I just put real example. So we replace car brand with a Mercedes and associated with a mouse. Yeah. So let's hit start and let's see what we get. So I will pause the video right now and come back when it's ready. So then I also did the same 3 more time with the different animals and different automobile brand. So I will just show you that I use really the same prompt. So this is the prompt I've used. I've just replaced mouse with tiger and brand with BMW M5. So and everything else just the same. So this is the second image that I've got generated from ChatGPT. Yeah, then I tell like let's use the same but replace with rabbit and Porsche 911. So this is the result I've received. And then I told it let's use Volkswagen Touareg and deer. So this is last result that I've got. So later we will use all these images to generate shorts. So here is the result that generated by ChatGPT. Now we have to store all these images and use another services to generate video from them. For this purpose, we will use one service that I found good because it's free. Yeah, we can use it for free with some limitation. So this is Hailuo AI video. I will add all this link to the description of the video. And another one is Polo AI. So yeah, they can take your image and then generate some really cool videos based on that. So both of them has free tier and they have some pricing models that can give you some credits that you can use it every day with some limitations. So I will use my account. We need to add an image here. So we will put here an image of our mouse first, and then here we can put description of what we want this image actually doing. So for this purpose, I also have some predefined prompt and I will share everything with you in the description of the video. It's pretty simple. So we just say that brand item driving forward slowly, massive animals walking behind in sync, muscle moving, dynamic background and lighting. So this is example, and we have to replace brand item and animal name with what we actually see on the image. So I will just replace it with Mercedes, G-Wagon, and then mouse walking behind. So as you see, we have 100 credits to generate something, and to generate one video it will take 30 credits. With this service for free we can generate at least 3 videos here. So let's do it. Click on generate and let's wait. I will come back when it's ready. So yeah, video is ready and we can check what we have. Just hover on the video and you see that mouse is moving together with the car. Looks pretty cool. The only thing is that with the free version we can't remove this watermark, so it will be on our video as well. So now we can just click on download, choose this watermark, and we will get this video to our local. So I will do the same for all other pieces of images, and then we'll come back when we want to join them together. So to join all the pieces together, we will use CapCut. You can do this online without installing everything on your local. Just create some account and you will be able to access the CapCut and do some fancy stuff. Just try a new video, click to upload and choose video one by one just to add it here. So I will pause for now and just show the final result. Okay, now I join all the pieces and we can see the final result. So it will be first deer, then mouse, then it's going to be our rabbit with the Porsche, and then another one will be our tiger with a BMW. We can also add some music on top of that. This is our final result. We can export it, click download, we'll choose the best quality here and click export. So it will take some time while CapCut generate the results. So I'll pause here and just come back when it's ready. Okay, now export is ready and we can see the results. So let's go to our downloads and just see what we have. So as you can see, we have this video downloaded on our local and we can use it next time to just upload it as a shorts to our YouTube channel. It's pretty cool. Subscribe if you want to see the next challenge, probably full 60 seconds short story or maybe fake trailer full with AI, and comment what AI should do next. See you.